Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to BCC in Gmail application. So firstly, open Gmail on your device and then you need to click Compose button. And here you can see two field. You need to tap this small arrow icon in the right side, and this will reveal the CC and BCC fields. And in this BCC field, you need to type the email addresses you want to hide, and it is optional that you can still enter your own email in the to field, this one, or leave it blank. Then compose your message, continue writing your email, and then after you're done, you need to send by clicking this send button. So yeah, all BCC recipients will get the email, but won't see who else got it. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.